Okay guys and girls, I've just got a new exhaust pipe for my Yamaha Tenere 700. I haven't put it on yet. I'm going to do a sound test. So I've got some high quality sound gear here, so I'm going to record a before and after. So let's give it a go. That's the just like idling there at probably let's say 10 inches. Okay, so here's the exhaust pipe I got. It's a got it on the internet. Storm Racing. It's stainless steel and the quality looks pretty good. The it's got a brush finish. It's a bit of a straight through. There's a little bit of a dB killer there, but it doesn't look too severe. This was the second cheapest exhaust pipe I could find on eBay. The cheapest one was the DominatoR, and I had run the DominatoR on my previous Tenere 660, and it was quite loud. I had to put a dB killer in it, but then it was quite good. So, you know, I think looking at this, it's definitely packaged better than the DominatoR. I think this one's an Italian one, where the other one's a Polish one. Yeah, I don't know. I think this is slightly better than the DominatoR's build quality, just because I like the finish more, I think. Anyway, let's install it and see how it sounds. So there's a size comparison. It's slightly smaller. I think the DominatoR was probably lighter than this. If you're after a lighter pipe, this seems to have more going on inside it, hence the slightly bigger weight. But yeah, no, I think that's going to fit there nicely. 2.3 kilos, as always. So that's handy to know. Right, so that comes off pretty easy with just 2 bolts. I shall put the bolts back in, and then I'll store it in the box so I can, yeah, these things are worth money still, or put them back on if you ever fail a noise test, or yeah, some people want to go back to standard if you do sell the bike. So, oh, okay, we got to do a sound test now with. We got to do a sound test with no exhaust pipe. That's a must. Okay, so that's just blowing out. I'm going to turn the levels down. Okay, so let's weigh this one now. It's 4.3 kilos. So we got 4.3 kilos compared to 2.3 kilos. 2 kilos different. So, yeah, that's a bit of a savings. That's going to make up for the weight of my crash bars. Right, what do we got here? We got this one here. Not a lot happening here. Let's try that. Right, so I'm imagining we've got to keep this pretty clear too, so I think angle wise that could be the best angle. It seems to be the one that comes straight out off the pipe, and I can get that to work. It seems to have clearance. Just wondering if I need to push it further down onto this. Give it a wiggle. There we go, we got a bit. There we go. Oh yeah, it's down to the original length there now. Use my makeshift hammer. Righto, so this is funny. They've got the Torx bits with the little security head on them. I don't know if you can see that there. Let's see. Which is a pain in the ass because I don't have any bits for that. I imagine it's to stop people stealing your exhaust pipe, but here in Australia we don't have that problem, so I'm going to see if I can find some other bolts for that, and I will be back shortly. Yeah, so looking at this part here on the DominatoR pipe, the cheaper one that's on eBay, this particular part was a bit dodgy. I didn't like what they were doing here, and this whole band was all bent out of shape when it arrived, and yeah, it was pretty nasty. So definitely better build quality on the accessory bits on this one. Right, so these are always buggers to do. It's got this little rubber thing here to keep the dirt out of it. Slip that on. Right, so from previous exhaust pipes I find these little suckers here pretty handy. I will clip it on one my hand, okay, and grabbing it here, I'll stretch it. Oh shit! Yeah, got him. Okay, lovely. Right. Right, so finish wise, it's yeah, it looks really good. Just this way they've used these, the old part of the exhaust shielding. Quite happy with it for the price. I think this cost me, it was on special. There was, for some reason it was 33% off when I got it. I did buy it over the Christmas period, so it might have just been a Christmas special of some sort, but yeah, I ended up getting this in the country for about 300 Australian dollars, which is might have been 330, but yeah, it was pretty good. The problem we have in Australia is postage. I think $60, $70 of that was just getting it here from Italy. Oh, and I like the fact it's Italian, because I don't mind Italian stuff. Right, that's a pretty sweet install. It looks damn sexy. Right, let's start her up and have a listen. So, conclusion, I didn't think it sounded any different to the actual OEM one. It sounded just as quiet, but it does have a rivet in here that I can drill out, and I can pull this baffle out. So after lockdown I'll do that somewhere else, because it's too loud to be doing things like that here. But yeah, I think, you know, just for the weight saving, 2 kilos is, you know, it's a good saving. So yeah, thanks for watching.